Most people think toll plazas are temporary. Pay for a few years, and then they disappear. But that's not the truth. Back in 2008, rules changed, and almost nobody noticed. Tolls can now be collected indefinitely. Yes, indefinitely. Even after the full construction cost is recovered, the toll doesn't stop. It only drops to about 40% and continues forever. And if the road is upgraded, 4 lanes to 6 lanes, the recovery resets. Fresh cycle, same road, more years. So no, you were never paying off a loan. You've been paying a permanent infrastructure tax. Now look at the bigger picture. The National Highways Authority of India has a debt of around 2.35 lakh crore rupees. They aim to clear it by 2050, which means today's kids will grow up paying tolls on the same roads. This isn't short-term. It's a long-term national EMI. And the revenue? 1,046 crore rupees in 2005 to nearly 55,000 crore rupees in 2024. And FASTag? It didn't reduce tolls, it just made sure you can't avoid paying. Now here's where it gets uncomfortable. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India found multiple violations. In several cases, tolls were not reduced even after full recovery. People were overcharged by crores. Even a bridge from 1954 was still being tolled like a new project. And the Mumbai-Pune Expressway cost 2,585 crore rupees. Collected, nearly 10,000 crore rupees. Toll still running. And then comes the real burden. You buy a car, GST, cess, road tax. You fill fuel, excise, VAT, infrastructure cess. Then you drive and pay toll again, layer after layer after layer. Private operators, they're doing great. Companies like IRB Infrastructure Developers report massive revenues, with profit margins up to 50%. And when losses happen, projects get abandoned. And guess who steps in? The government, which means you. Profits are private, but risk becomes public. And the future? No toll booths, no stopping, no cash. With GPS-based tracking and camera systems, you'll be charged per kilometer. Seamless, automatic, invisible. But the real question remains, when does it stop? The answer is, it doesn't.